Hi. Some time ago I make a thank you video and I mention David from South Africa, who is a big supporter of my products on the Facebook. He actually is from South Africa, so he ordered a few things from me so we can pick them up in Europe when he come here for business travel, I think, or something like that. And when he come, he received my products, whatever it was in the order for him and others, collective order, and he sent me a few presents, let's say it like that. I will show you these presents, and I actually there are some products here that I would like to discuss. So David sent me some fridge magnet, and because he is a veterinary for wild birds, he sent me, and because I actually told him at once that I remember him because it's the penguin doctor. It's what I remember from the pictures I see in his Facebook account. He sent me couple of stickers with the organization and with I love you, I love African penguins. I will not put this on my car because I'm Romanian, living in Romania. Romanians usually they are thinking primary to food, and if I put this on my car, somebody will ask me, okay, if you love African penguins, how the African penguin steak is tasting like, or African penguin soup is tasting like. So I will try to avoid this kind of discussions, let's say like that. It's just a joke. He also sent me some socks with penguins. I'm laughing because I'm a guy who is 1.9 meters tall and 160 kilograms heavy, and you can imagine me wearing this kind of socks. But thank you. I am actually very grateful that somebody actually sent me a gift. And the other gifts are from a guy which is have this nickname on the internet. He also ordered some things which they were part of this order. He also sent me, I don't know if this is from him or from David, some stickers. This I think is his logo, and the rag for cleaning the multi-tool or glasses, and the things that apparently is selling. So what he is selling, or I don't know, maybe it's like me, he's just have a side thing going on. He's selling oil for multi-tools. So here is a, I don't remember how big is this. 15 millimeters, 15 milliliters. So this is the dispenser. It's a nice dispenser for small spaces. Yeah, you have to be careful with these dispensers, how you put them, because they usually leak even if they have a cover. And also send me a refill for that dispenser. I don't know how much he's selling for. I think he told me that, but I will put a link to his page and you'll see there. But also he sent me some PTFE washers. So for people who don't know, these are it's a very resisting plastic. I know that the people who are using multi-tools don't like plastic in general. They think it's weaker than the metal. So these are washers for the to replace the copper, bronze, I don't remember how they are called, the washers. Phosphorus bronze washers. Yeah, so In Leatherman, in Charge, I think you have phosphorus bronze washers, which are better than normal washers. I don't know if in Wave and Surge you have that washers. I think you have a different metal for them. I don't think they are phosphorus bronze washers in Surge. But anyway, they have the advantage that they don't need to be oiled, so they can work without lubrication. These are in industry, they are called self-lubricating washers, and we have other things, not only washers, with this material. I am mechanical design engineer. I design stuff, and I know that I'm using this material for sliders, for example, which they are very hard to oil. I know that these are resisting less than the metal sliders, but they have an advantage that if you have a certain shock on the assembly, this will not damage the rail, which is very expensive usually. They will then damage themselves, and you can change them because they are cheap. It's the same case with if you use them in a multi-tool, because in a multi-tool actually I see quite a lot of people actually asking where they can buy replacement for the washers. Yeah, for the washers inside here or on the plier head. So I see people losing all the time these washers, and they are searching where they can buy other ones. So if you are in this situation, or you don't want to have to lubricate your multi-tool so often, not at all, or you are afraid that some dust will damage the washers or the blades and things like that, you can buy this kind of washers. They are not very expensive. I think they are 2 or 3 euros each set. Talk with Wikus. I will put a link. I don't know exactly the details. This is not an advertising, to be honest, to his products. I'm just discussing this to show you what is on the market. I think this is a very, very good idea. Actually, Wikus asked me what he can improve to his products. Well, I will just tell you 2 things. I hope you don't mind. First of all is put a label on these things so people will know what model is they are compatible with and what the material is. Maybe they want to document themselves on the internet regarding this. And also on the oil, it's one thing that you should mention all the time. When you use oil on the multi-tool or knives, some people actually are using the knife to cut, not this one, but this one. You can see it's actually dirty of food. They used to cut food with it. So you should mention on your site or on the label if it's food safety or not. I am using my my multi-tool especially to eat quenches. I don't know how they are called, that yellow fruits. And I'm cutting with this, and I want to know for sure if this oil can poison me or not if I use it on multi-tool. So please look on the spec sheet of the oil from where you take it, or if you make it yourself. I don't know, it seems that it's synthetic, so you probably buy it from somewhere. Look on the specification sheet and see if they are food safety or not, or even ask the suppliers. for other people watching this video, please tell me how long will take between maintenance of your multi-tool. Is usually you are maintain your tool, clean it at interval of the months, half year, more than a year or something. Just tell me in the comments. Tell me if you like this idea. I definitely like it. To have spare washers for different material from what is the original one, and maybe you go and talk with Wikus. I will put a link in the description of the video or in the first comment. As you know, I do some maintenance on the multi-tools, and actually that way I done these brushes that can enter inside of the multi-tool, inside here, to clean it. If you have this, apparently you don't need to worry about dust entering your multi-tool. They are resisting, from what I remember, to very high temperatures. Usually this kind of material is resisting to high temperature, so I think it's a good idea. So let me know in comments about your maintenance routines, if you have any, when you do them, what oil you use, if you have any other washers in your multi-tool, and so on. Until the next video, may the tool be always with you, and see you later. Bye.